how to increase the sound of your ringtone song, which is so raw for you to hear. What you need to do is just go to your phone settings, then click the option sounds, then come to where we have ringtone and adjustment bar or adjustment scale. Go up increasing up to level of your choice where you of the sound which you want to ring as your ringtone. That is how you can increase your ringtone in your phone. Thank you for watching. Kindly don't forget to give the video a thumb up so that you never miss out any of my future content like this. Also, you can hit the subscribe button so that you never also miss out any of my future content like this.